Hello and welcome back. This is Peter Beckenham, the Village Marketer. And in today's video, I've got another great lead generation tool for you. Okay, this one is awesome because it's really a kind of set and forget. You just set it up once and that's it. Now to find it, you go up under Work. See up here on the top right hand corner. Click on Work and then just come down here and click on Pro Finder. See that there? Click Pro Finder. And it'll open up in a new page, right? Now this is completely free. And it's basically LinkedIn's answer to Fiverr and the other freelance marketplace sites. Really what they want is for all their members eventually, all 500 or 600 million or how many it's going to be, to come and look for services there. So you can come on here as a customer, as a LinkedIn user and say, you know what, I really need help with X, Y, and Z, okay? And away you go. Now, let me show you something. If I go here and click See All Services, you get an idea of just exactly what's available. Software development, okay? All sorts of things. And all these things here are clickable. It takes you even more details. IT services, consulting, computer repair, computer networking, etc. Design, writing and editing, translation, editing, copywriting, blogging, etc. Technical writing. Marketing, all sorts of things, event marketing, direct mail marketing, email marketing, social media marketing, lead generation, right? That's got my attention. Business consulting, advertising consulting, legal, political consulting, blah, 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 right? Legal, all sorts of legal, real estate, family law, technology, corporate law, accounting, okay, financial services, etc. Coaching, you may be a career coach or resume or executive coach or a life coach or a leadership coach or whatever it is, okay? All these things are here, and real estate, etc. and insurance. The bottom line is this, there's an extraordinary level of services. Now the idea is that you register here as a vendor. Unfortunately, if you're outside the USA right now, okay, then this doesn't work for you. So as I live in Thailand, I can't take advantage of this awesome free lead generation thing from LinkedIn. But for you USA-based folks, it's free. And there's no fees at all with this. They don't take a cut of any transaction fees, okay? It's just a value add for LinkedIn. So what you do is this. If you live in the United States, once you sign up for ProFinder as a vendor, you then click on the client requests and it will tell you if there are any. These are all people basically saying, can I hire you? And what LinkedIn does is they cap it at 5 proposals. So they'll send out an alert to you and other people in the area who have signed up and say, hey Peter, heads up, this person just put in their name and they said they're looking for help in sales and marketing, for example. Do you want to throw your hat in the ring? If so, here are the requests that came in for your services. And they'll give you that, right? And it'll tell you everything as the service requester completes an application form, sharing everything they want and why they want it, and LinkedIn passes it all on to you. I mean, look, for example, let's say we were looking for, I don't know, copywriting. So I clicked on copywriting, okay? And 400 copywriters near you, blah, blah, blah. And what it asks you to do is then to complete this particular form, right? What type of copywriting do you want? I mean, let's say we want, I'll just make this up, a resume, okay? Click continue. How many pages? I'm just clicking this. And what type of scope do you one-time need, okay? What do you need this project completed by? You want it by this week or next 2 weeks, whatever it is. I'm just making this up, of course, right? How would you like to work with the copywriter? I only want to work with them in person, for example, etc., etc., etc. So what you're getting at is this. You're getting all this information given to you. I mean, LinkedIn's doing all the work for you, right? I'm jealous of you guys in the United States. What a great free service you're getting here from LinkedIn. So once you sign up for ProFinder as a vendor in one of these service areas, you'll then get all the alerts. That's the way it works. It's pretty simple. LinkedIn members submit proposals that cost them nothing. And as you can see, LinkedIn's already prepped the prospect with what to ask for and when to work with someone. And they'll even pre-fill in all the details. And guess what? They pass all this on to you. So there's no reason why you shouldn't sign up. Attach your profile and then they'll send you the leads. You don't have to do anything. You just set it and you forget it. So just make sure you take advantage of this, okay? It's up there. It's under the Work tab there, right? Click work, click Profiler, and then once you're over there, sign up, get yourself in the hopper, and LinkedIn will do the rest for you. So there you go. I mean, this is an awesome lead generating option for those who live in the United States. Let's hope they roll the vendor option out to the rest of the world soon, okay? So there you go. Enjoy these free, fully qualified leads that LinkedIn's doing all the work for you, okay?